Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you are updated whenever I upload. Today's video is going to be a foundation try on. Now this foundation has been all over the internet. It's supposed to be great, perfect match, first time. You don't have to go to the store, and you just answer the questionnaire and they're able to match it to your foundation. So this is the IL Makiage foundation. I finally got my hands on it. I actually got it, I want to say Thursday or Friday of last week. And yeah, so I really need to try this, because if sister girl don't like it, then I'm sending it right back. So let's get this box cracking. So it comes in this really nice, sleek black box. It opens up like this. It also comes in this little envelope. It's a foam, not foam, but bubble wrap envelope, so it's really secure. It comes in the box, and then it comes in another box. When I tell you, they try to make sure that this sucker does not break in shipping, like they make sure it does not break in shipping. So the box is really cute. It has the stickers on the side, so the top doesn't slip off. I've already opened it. I already know what the color looks like, but I want you guys to see. Okay, so black and white packaging. I like how it's nice and sleek, very minimalistic type vibes and design, so I really appreciate that. It opens up like this. I love the frosted glass. The packaging seems very, very expensive, and I love that about it. And keep in mind, she better be looking expensive, because sister ain't cheap. She is not a cheap foundation, okay? This retails for $44. That's not cheap. And you're getting what? Let's see. You are getting 1 fluid ounce. So it comes in the frosted glass like this. Take the top off, and it's a pump bottle. I like that, because I don't like having to pour out a foundation or having to put anything on there or all that stuff. I rather just pump it out. You carefully pump it out, and you get the amount of product that you want. So my face is already moisturized. I'm just going to put on a little bit of primer. I am going to use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. So I wanted to try the foundation, see if I like it. I love trying new foundations, and the foundations that I have, I've been using those for a while. And since I've been seeing this all over the internet, I just really wanted to give it a go and see how legit it is, because you know these other YouTubers be hyping stuff up, and then you go and spend your coins on it, and it's not what they're saying it is. Okay, so the shade that they sent me is 185. Based off the questionnaire, I am 185. So at the end of the questionnaire, they did ask me during this time, does your skin get lighter or darker? And I answered that it gets lighter. Mind you, I took the quiz in the summertime. I was going to get it in the summertime or when it was warmer, and I was matched to 185. So I don't know how they figured that I'm still 185, but we shall see. So I am going to use the Morphe M444 brush, because when I see the other reviews and from their review commercial, they typically use like a flat top brush like this. And this is what 185 looks like. So as you can see right now, like, she's not thick, because she's kind of running down on my hand already. So she's not a thick foundation. I believe this is medium buildable coverage, but we'll see. So 185 is supposed to be like dark skin with yellow undertone, yellow or olive undertone. To me, right off the bat, this looks very neutral tone. So let's see. So I'm gonna start in this area, because I did have some acne in this area right here, so I want to see how good it covers, because based off of their based off of what they show on Instagram, it's supposed to be like cover a lot, but we'll see. I'm not going to say anything. I just want to see if you guys see what I see. Now, I'm going to say that it does have a good fragrance to it. It kind of smells like Jergens lotion or something like that. Like body lotion. Not like the fragrant body lotion, but it smells like body lotion. So this is what she's looking like. And keep in mind, I'm gonna let her oxidize a little bit. So this is my second pump. And I'm just gonna go over those areas that I want to have more coverage. I don't know why, but I've been breaking out on this side of my face. So we're gonna go on the ears. Now, from what I'm seeing right now, if you want that fuller coverage, and this is with a lot of foundations, especially foundations that are medium coverage, you have to go and stipple those areas where you need that added coverage. How they do it on the commercial where they're just buffing it in, like that's not gonna work because it's just gonna be moving the product around and it's not gonna give you the coverage that you need. So she doesn't look matte at all. She looks more like a demi-matte or a natural finish. Now she's not bad. I like the look of it. The smell isn't overbearing. But is she the right color match for me? I think not. She is too, this foundation is too, to me, I don't see an olive undertone. It's more like a natural or a neutral with a hint of pink in it is what I'm seeing. Because my skin looks more olive than this. So I don't see how they figured that this was an olive undertone or a yellow undertone. Because I am definitely not getting yellow. Do you guys see it? Like, look at my neck compared to this, and then look at this side of my face compared to this side of my face. Like, this completely changes my skin tone. Completely. So, for me, as far as color, it's a no-go. But you guys know I'm a makeup artist, so we about to make this work. So this is what the foundation looks like. It looks, well, not the foundation. Let me stop lying. This isn't the foundation. This is the foundation with me finessing it and putting stuff on so it can look cohesive like this. What I had to do was I took the Fluidity Concealer by Morphe, and this is C3.55. And I put it underneath my eyes, I put it underneath here, on my chin, and right here. And I blended that out. I set that with the Maybelline Fit Me in number 30 and 35. I mixed those two together. So, and then I set underneath my eyes. And then I set the rest of my face with the Morphe Filter Effects Filter 7 powder. This is the business. And then like right here, it's just highlighter on top. So this darker spot where it looks like it's contoured, this is actually the foundation. So this is the foundation all around hair, hair, and hair. That's how dark the foundation got. And am I missing anything? Oh, and then I sprayed my face with the Morphe's continuous setting spray, and this is the look that I got. It looks really good. I don't know if it looks really good because of this Morphe powder or the foundation just looks good, because when I had the foundation on, honestly, it looked really good. It looks like skin. It doesn't look like you have on foundation. It doesn't look cakey or anything. That's what I love about it. And it mixed well with all the other products. It didn't make the other products look cakey, because sometimes you can have like a medium coverage foundation and then you put other products on top and it just starts looking cakey because the products aren't mixing well. It did mix well with all of the products that I did apply. I would give this foundation a 4 out of 5 only because it wasn't a good match for my skin tone. I feel like it was too pinky, but at the same time it was neutral, or it was neutral but it had too much pink in it, and it was described as a yellow undertone, but there was absolutely no yellow in it. As you guys can see, when I did the comparison from one side to the other, my skin is way more yellow or olive undertone than the foundation was. So I don't know how they correlated this description with what the foundation actually is, but based off of me answering the questionnaire saying that I use Makiage by NARS in the Sheer Glow foundation, that's the foundation that they recommended to me. So I don't know how that works, but as you guys can see, it was definitely not my shade. I definitely think that you guys should try it, because right now they're having something where you just pay for the shipping. They send it to you. You have 14 days to try it. If it doesn't match for you, then you send it back. That's what I'm gonna do. Hopefully I can get corrected where I do have the correct match foundation. All in all, it's a pretty good foundation. It goes on very nice, very smooth. It is a medium finish. I would use a flat top brush. Like I said, I used the Morphe M444. That went on really well. Off bat, I don't think you can get a full coverage from the medium coverage unless you go in like I did and I stippled it on. Or if you have time, you can sit there, let it dry, wait a couple minutes, let it dry, and then apply another layer. I used two layers in certain spots, and it did not look cakey. It still looked like skin. It still looked flawless. Yeah, and that's it. I don't want to ramble too much. It is what it is. I gave it a 4 out of 5. I give it a 4 out of 5. I think it's a good foundation. It's worth a try. And they ship fairly quickly. Like, I think I got mine in 4 to 5 days. So that's not long. And yeah, that's all I have to say about it. Check it out. IL Makiage foundation. It is worth the hype. It's just not my match. It's not my match. Definitely check it out. Give it a try. Try the trial. It's not going to hurt anything unless you forget and you get charged at $44, boo. So if you want to try it, pay the $5, whatever it is for the shipping, try it out. If it doesn't work, you can send it back. Yeah, so I hope you guys like reviews like this. I will be doing another one shortly. But for right now, I'm about to go and bust out this Valentine's Day look, which will be up after this. A couple days after this, I'll post. I'll probably post it on Tuesday. I think I want to start posting more than once a week now. Like, I think I want to post on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. We'll see how that goes. Bear with me because it's rough sometimes. It's rough. Okay? I'm going to be honest with you guys. It's rough. But I would really like to start making my YouTube a priority. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, leave them down below. If you have any video requests, leave them down below as well. Follow me on Instagram at Steffi C Artistry. That is my new Instagram. That is my new Instagram that is dedicated to my YouTube. Well, that is it because I am rambling. Guys, let me know what you want to see because this YouTube thing is a struggle, okay? It's hard coming up with video ideas, okay? Let me know what you want to see. If you guys like my skincare routine, let me know and I'll do another one because I have some other stuff from Pixie. Y'all know I love Pixie skincare stuff. I'm about to do this Valentine's Day look using Pixie products right after this. So if you guys want to see that, check it out. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Love you guys. Mwah.